To join the TikTok affiliate program is very easy. Just type in TikTok affiliate program into Google. The first link that appears here, just click on it, and then you can see become a TikTok ads affiliate. Affiliate partners and the agency partners apply to separate links below. So you can apply as an agency or as an affiliate. So in your case, it would be this button here. You just click this button and you will be redirected to this site here. So as far as I can tell, this is uses the impact site to that you can access the TikTok to affiliate programs. So to sign up, it needs around 5 minutes to complete. All you have to do is click the sign up button here, and then you go through the entire contract terms for the TikTok for Business, and you go all the way down. You accept it, read everything through. You log in with your Google account, and you just go and sign up with Impact firstly, and then within the Impact dashboard, you will find the TikTok affiliate link. That's basically it, as simple as that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.